everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cindy Kartika Putri. I'm from Management 23C and MPM 2341101. I will convey material about. Okay, happy for watching, guys. Decision theory. Definition of decision theory. Decision theory is the study of principles and methods for making rational choices among alternatives, especially in situations of uncertainty. It combines concepts from disciplines like mathematics, statistics, economy, and psychology to assist individual or organization in choosing the optimal course of action. Main purpose. The purpose of decision theory is to provide a systematic framework for making choices that maximize desired outcome and minimize risk. It aims to help individual or organization make rational, informed decision by evaluation alternatives based on their potential outcomes and associated probability, especially under conditions of uncertainty. Types of decision theory. 1. Deterministic decision theory. Decision under certainty. This theory applies well when all necessary information is available and the outcome of each alternative is known. In such a case, decision makers can predict exactly what will happen as a consequence of each choice. 2. Probability decision theory or decision under risks. In the theory, decision makers face risk because each outcome has a known probability. This allows them to estimate the most likely outcomes even though some uncertainty remains. 3. Decision theory of uncertainty. In situation of uncertainty, decision makers lack unknown information about the probability of outcome for each option or the probability are entirely unknown. Various methods are used here, such as the Laplace criterion, optimist criterion or maximus, pessimist criterion atau maximin, and Hurwitz criterion. Multi-criteria decision making or MCDM. This theory is used when there are multiple criteria or objectives to consider in decision making. Decisions are made based on evaluation various alternatives from multiple perspectives or criteria. 5. Game theory. Game theory studies decision making in competitive situations where outcome depends on the choices made by all parties involved. It will widely applied in economic, business, politics, and military strategies. 6. Bayesian decision theory. This theory incorporates Bayesian statistical methods to update probability based on new information. It is particularly useful in iterative decision-making process that require updating based on additional data. The main component of decision theory. 1. Alternatives. The different options or actions that can be chosen. Decision makers evaluate various alternatives to determine the best possible choice. 2. Outcomes. The potential result or consequence of each alternative. Understanding possible outcome help in assessing the impact of each decision. 3. Criteria. The standard or objective used to evaluate outcomes. Criteria are the benchmarks against which the desirability of each outcome is measured. 4. Probabilities. The likelihood of its outcome, especially in situations involving risk or uncertainty. Probabilities help quantify the chance of different outcomes, which aids in making informed decisions. 4. Payoff or utility. The value or benefit associated with its outcomes. Payoff may be positive or benefit or negative or cost and are used to assess the desirability of outcomes. 6. Decision rules. The strategies or principles used to choose among alternatives. Example includes the maximization of expense utility, maximus, and other decision rules depending on the decision environment. Main methods in decision theory. Decision matrix. These methods organize alternatives and criteria in table format to compare various options based on specific criteria. The decision matrix helps in selecting the most suitable alternative by scoring or evaluating its criteria for each option. 2. Decision tree. A decision tree is a graphical representation that shows various conditions and their potential outcomes. Each branch of the tree represents possible action or result, and this method is especially useful for step-by-step decision making. 3. Bayesian analysis. This method uses Bayesian probability to update information based on new data obtained. It is valuable for rapid decision making or situations where outcome probability can be dynamically updated. 4. Risk analysis. This method evaluates and assesses the risk associated with various alternatives, helping decision makers understand potential loss and gains. It's useful in decisions with high uncertainty. 5. Multi-criteria decision or MCDM. MCDM is used when a decision involves multiple criteria or objectives. These methods help evaluate various alternatives from multiple perspectives to achieve a balanced decision. 6. Cost-benefits analysis or CBA. This method compares the cost and benefit of each alternative to determine which provides the greatest net benefit. It is particularly useful for economic or financial decisions. Decision theory in practice. 1. Business and economics. Companies use decision theory to optimize operations, evaluate investment options, and assess risks. For example, a business might use a decision tree to decide whether to expand into a new market based on projected revenues and associated risks. 2. Healthcare. In healthcare, decision theory helps in creating treatment plan by weighing the potential outcome and risk of different interventions. Bayesian analysis, for instance, is often used to update patient treatment plans as new medical data becomes available. 3. Finance. Decision theory supports financial decisions like portfolio management and risk assessment. Investors use risk analysis and cost-benefits analysis to evaluate the potential returns and risks associated with different investment options. Conclusion. Decision theory is a valuable tool for making informed, rational choices in various fields, from business to healthcare and public policy. By providing structured methodologies in help decision makers evaluate alternative, manage risk, and maximize outcome while minimizing uncertainties. However, decision theory also has limitations such as it relies on accurate data, the assumption of rationality, and the complexity of some methods. In real-world application, human bias and quantitative factor may influence decision, making it important to combine decision theory with practical judgment and flexibility. Despite its challenge, decision theory remains a fundamental approach to improving decision-making process and achieving optimal results. Okay, that's all material for me. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.